Okay, now we're ready to cross stitch, actually do the stitches. So you threaded your needle with the color thread of the X that you're going to go on. You have a tail, and at the end of your thread, you have a knot. Okay, so you're going to start from the back side, and what you're doing is you're following the X's. So actually, I'll show you on the instruction sheet. So you're going to come from the back side, come up at 1, go down at 2, come up at 3, down at 4, up at 5, down at 6. That's how you're going to continue. Then, after you finish a whole row, you're going to come back the opposite way. Up at 7, down at 8, up at 9, down at 10, up at 11, down at 12, and so on. Then you'll make X's. So, what I show you here, you could probably see, I already went one way. So now I'm going to go backwards. So, I'm going to go from the back side, and then going down to complete my X. Now, when you're doing this, also, you want to connect X's. Oh my goodness, I can't see a thing. Okay, there. And down. So you always come up from the back side and then go down from the front side. See my little X I made? Okay, and that's how you could see all these little X's I did. Okay, and I can show you probably better on this picture. So again, you go diagonal to the right first, then you come diagonal to the left to complete the X, and then down here you can see how this is the correct way. You want to make sure that you connect your stitches. So they say that's correct stitches, smiley face. Wrong stitches, see how there's spaces in between? Those are sad face, incorrect. So it's the correct way to do it. Now when you do that, and I'll show you when it's been completed, you can see this. See, all those stitches are connected, so it's all solid. It's all solid light pink and then all solid dark pink there. They did a really good job. And another example here, see the stitches are all connected. I probably should have a bad example, but I don't. Okay, so that's how you cross stitch. So you could start anywhere you want. In the instructions, it tells you how to switch colors and when to switch colors. A lot of people ask, well, what do I do here? I'm going yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh, I'm supposed to do a pink one. Well, just skip that X and then complete the yellow. So do all the yellow, I suggest, of the ice cream cone on the top. And then you can go back and do those random little pink squares or X's there. You could do that way. That's the easy way. And then you could see how the color changes down here. The end.